Last time when I failed, that's the time where I did an introspection. Every time you do an introspection, you need not wait for failures to do an introspection. Correct? When I introspect, I know where I'm going right, where I'm going wrong, so that I can change my habits. After failure, it is like, eyes totally gone, I need to go and see the sun and tell, vitamin E please. In Tamil, kannu kettapinna Surya Namaskaram. But still it is not late. If you ask me, it is better not. It is better to do it rather than not doing it. Okay? I'll give you 2 minutes time. I am sure you people have notepads or whatever in your hands. Just quickly write about yourself. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? Do it fast. 2 minutes. Early in the morning, 4 o'clock, doing an introspection. What an opportunity, guys. Please do introspection about yourself. Don't try to introspect somebody's life. Done? Oh, you're doing an introspection in the mobile. Huh? Take it. Okay, fine, enough. Now tell me, what did you write? Few of you please answer. What kind of introspection happened? Huh? Huh? You identified your strengths? You identified your weakness? How many of you find it difficult to identify your strengths and weakness? 1%. Anybody else? 2, 3. Slowly it will rise. I don't know why. Okay? For people who find it difficult to identify your strengths and weakness, here is a simple technique to use it. Go back and reflect on the days where you were appreciated, where people spoke good about you, where you felt you achieved something, where you got some laurels, wherever you got some kind of medals or awards. Those reflects your strengths. Go back and reflect on the regular scoldings you get from your parents, teachers, and regular issues that you face, regular habits of no coming late. Wherever you feel somebody is criticizing you, and identify what it is that can be your weaknesses. Okay, don't try to break your head too much. Let's go to the next part. Okay. Now, Vishal and Socrates, they had an interaction. Now what happened is, Vishal's boss shouted at Vishal and he said, you need to do all these things, otherwise you are not going to be working here for a long time. Now Vishal has a subordinate or somebody working under him. He immediately started shouting at his subordinate. And Socrates is watching all these things and he asked, what the hell are you doing? He said, you saw the way how my boss shouted? He is just fighting with me. Because these guys are not giving anything in time, I am getting scolding, so I am just downloading the scoldings. You got my point? Downloading is pressure comes. Okay, when you join as a management trainee, under you nobody will be there to show this pressure. But once you join at a level where you will have 20 people reporting under you, your boss will call, right? He will take off your happiness, and the best part to go and show it out is subordinates. Okay? Now, my dear friends, how many of you have the habit of going and showing your anger in the home? See, hands are rising, very good, very good. Okay? You show it at home, How do you show it? I just want some kind of a demonstration. How do you show it? Ma'am, your hands were rising very high. You tell me, how do you show it? Think one of your friend as your family member and demonstrate what do you do. If it is not physical, it is okay. Oh. Okay. So you fight with your mother. Anybody else? Anybody else? Okay. I'll narrate an incident that happened in one of the manager's life. His boss called him and he shouted at him very badly. And now this gentleman went to his house. Please pay attention. This is very, very important. This can help us to change our life also. He went to his house. If his wife gave a cup of coffee which was not hot, okay, he immediately started showing the anger on her, telling, what the hell are you doing here? Is this the way you make a cup of coffee? Now tell me, who is inside him? The boss. The boss. Please remember this. And now this lady went inside the kitchen, and when she was placing the vessel, she was placing it very forcefully. From outside, the husband started shouting, that is a modular kitchen for which even the EMI is still not completed. Don't break it. Your father did not buy this. Immediately she got wild and she came out and she said, you don't have any rights to talk bad about my father. She said, I know your father very well here. Instead of buying a railway ticket, he bought a platform ticket and he sent me it from your hometown here. What kind of father you have now? Okay, now what happened is, the problem is between you and me. Why are you pulling my father? Okay, it went on. Now, son came. Daddy, daddy. Father said, your daddy is dead, go man. Now son needs to show the anger somewhere. They had a nice dog in the house, like a pug. He saw the dog in close-up. Imagine a film making style. One close-up for the dog's face, one close-up for the small boy. Cut and show it. And now this dog was just seeing this boy in a close-up, and this boy got irritated and he kicked at the pug and he said, idiot, you're absolutely looking like my father only. You got it? Straight. And now poor pug, where to show the anger? There was a man going in the colony. This dog went and started pouncing on him. And that guy was irritated. He came back and he said, sir, as per the colony rules, you are not supposed to have a dog here. This is not fair. Your dog is misbehaving with me. In your house, there is already 2 dogs who's misbehaving with you. Go try to control those dogs. You know who they are. It is up to your imaginations. Now, who is there inside this person when all these things happened? Boss. Very good. Very good. After 3 months, the same boss was appreciated to the core. Manager said, you are a superman. I have never seen such an employee like you in my life. With this mood, he came to house. Wife gave a coffee, which was not hot. Now what he said is, coffee, that's good, sir. I think that's real experience. That is experience. Okay, we can all form a club, I think so. Okay, now what happened is, he told his wife, coffee is not hot, but it is still tasty and it's too good. She said, if you want, can I heat it and bring it? He said, how long will you stay in kitchen in your life? You got it? He became romantic. Now who is inside him? Boss, boss. Understand. Now, son saw the mood of the father. Today, this man is in good mood. Let me ask for a bicycle or a bike. He went and immediately showed the report card. Okay, that's very important. When to show the report card has got a technique. Yeah, that technique I am sure everybody would have learnt it naturally. And now he saw, son, you have done a great job in all the subjects. Only mathematics you need to improve. No, father, I will take care. I am confident I can do it. And now son is so happy. He went and saw the dog. And he started playing with the dog. Now dog is very happy. The same neighbor passed. And the dog went and started playing with him. This gentleman came and said, sir, your dog has become very friendly. And it started playing with me. He said, yeah, dog is in good mood today. You understood who is the dog. Okay? Now what happened is, he told his wife, honey, don't make anything for dinner today. We will go out. See, all experience is just coming out like that. No, so much amount of magnetic energy is there. We will go out. She asked, why unnecessarily waste money? Sir, idhe maradana keppanga. Adeda. Okay. Now what happened is, he said, no, once in a while we need to go out. They go, they have dinner. He's a small boy. Boy goes to sleep. And you know what happens after that. Now tell me, who is inside him? Boss. Who is supposed to have a romantic relationship with the wife? He or his boss? Tell me. Friends, this might look very humorous, but let us give a serious thought on this. I will tell you, there can be various management in this world. Production management, materials management, this management, that management. But there is one greatest management what we need to do is anger management. And what Socrates said is, do not do to others what angers you if done to you to others. When my boss shouted at me, I felt bad, I felt irritated, and I come back and I'm not supposed to give it back to my subordinate, because that is not leadership, that is not effectiveness. Okay, when you people go to your home and show your anger on your mother, right, I am not being effective in the way how I am handling myself. When you work in a company and start fighting with somebody because your boss shouted, I am becoming ineffective in terms of people management. Okay, the second important philosophy what he stated is, do not do to others what angers you if done to you by others. So when you're going to the corporate world, first and the foremost thing is, if you're going to face an interview, friends, you will never be spared from this question called, tell me something about yourself. No interview will start without this question. Okay? If you want to be an entrepreneur, and if you want to go meet a venture capitalist, even there, they'll ask, could you please tell me something about yourself? And could you please talk to me about what exactly is your business model? Without having this introspection, you can neither be an entrepreneur, nor you can enter the world of jobs. 1, 2, anger can be channelized. It doesn't mean that I need to sit like a log. There is again a saying, only a wise man knows when to be angry, how to be angry, without hurting the feelings of self and others. My anger can get converted into products. My anger can get converted into business. Shall I give you an example? You want to know it? Okay. There is a company which used to give orders for a small company for making shoes. Okay. And this guy was happily producing shoes for that company. Suddenly this company said, let me improve the business for you. I'll give you more units, and they were expanding the business, and this guy was given more business. At one stage what happened is, the company which was giving orders, they immediately reduced the quantity to hardly 30-40%. And this guy expanded, bought machinery, improved the manpower, but he don't have orders. When this company went and asked, why don't you do something about it? Then they said, why can't you do it at a lesser rate? They said, no, it will not be cost effective for me. And then they tried all the best to convince that company, but it didn't work out. And then what happened is, this company which was doing the job work for them decided, hereafter, I don't want to produce shoes for you. We will meet in the market. That anger got converted into liberty. And they were angry with Bata. This is anger. Are you able to understand this? My anger should make me productive. And anger in the train made this country free. That's a productive anger. Clear? Shall we go to the next part of the story? Let us see what and all happens to Vishal after this. Sir. Now, manager calls Vishal and he tells our company